Hi, hello, this is Stephen Zorins, and welcome to my product review of this Project Limitless, which is a product created by the Trevor, Jonas Lindgren, and Boo. And so in this video, I will show you what Project Limitless is all about. I will show you the software that automates the entire work. And in this video, I will also talk about I will also show you the software that I use, and I did a testing on and the amount of money that I made account Limitless. I will also show you two bonuses that I have if you decide to purchase this Project Limitless through my link below this video. I will talk about my bonuses and how you can get access to my bonuses, and that way, uh, this will make sure that you get all the help that you need. So anyway, let's look into Project Limitless as the app that I bought. Okay, let me just open my screen here. As you can see, this is how the software looks like. It's a downloadable software, and so as you can see on the screen, within 2 days, in one of my account, I made $704 within 2 days. Okay, here is the here. This is the app or this is the software that you'll be using. Okay, all you have to do is follow their instructions. You'll be provided everything that you need. All you have to do is just follow instructions, are very simple instructions. I will say this is an ABC instruction. Anybody can follow it. Okay, so this is the amount of money that I made within 2 days, 704 within in one of my demo account. And let me open up another account that I made money with. Here I made $881 within 2 days in one of my demo account. In one of my other account, the ape, this software does all the works. Okay, I just set it up once and let it run. Okay, and if I need any help, I just ask the staff. I just open a support and they answer it for me. And I just let the software do all the works, and I'm just doing it something else. I don't have to be in front of my computer 24/7, which I don't like because it's bad for my eyes. So I was just spending time with my family, with my mother and brother, and the ape is doing all the work and making me this money. So in total, I made about 1,500 plus within 2 days using this app, using this software. So that is my result of my testings, and you can see here also there are a lot of people are making a lot of money. And you can get all the help that you need, and that's so wonderful. In fact, this is one of the best product that I have bought in all my years in the internet marketing space. Okay, this is what I love to do because I don't want to do internet marketing business and spend all my time in front of the computer. Okay, so anyway, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I also have a bonus. If you click the link, below this video, you'll come across my bonus page. And if you scroll down below this bonus page, you'll find I have two bonuses. Okay, and my first bonus is that if you decide to purchase this Project Limitless through my link below this video, you'll get access to the same settings that I personally use to make 1,500 plus in 2 days. Okay, so that means I will give you access to the same setting that I use to make $1,500 in 2 days. Okay, and my second bonus is that you'll have access to me. Okay, you can add me as your friend inside the Discord group, and I will personally help you in every in any on any issue that you face with regards to Project Limitless settings. Okay, now the second bonus I may decide to close this second bonus in the future because as you know that giving a support one-on-one support, a personal support is very time consuming, and I know, and I don't like to spend so much time in front of my computer because it hurts my eye, and so I just don't like it to do that. So I may close down this second bonus in the near future. But for now it is open, and if you decide to get this project Limitless through my link, you'll get access to these bonuses. These are my two main bonus. Okay, and remember, in order to get access to these bonuses, you'll have to buy it. You'll have to buy this project Limitless through my link below this video. So below this video, there's a link that will take you to the sales. That will take you to this bonus page that you are seeing on this. All you have to do is buy this project Limitless through my link. This is the link that you need to buy. You all you have to do is click on this link, and it will take you to the project Limitless sales page, and you make a purchase there. And once you make a purchase, you'll get access to project Limitless and all my bonuses that I have for you here. Okay. So if you like to get access to my bonuses as well as this project Limitless, just click the link below this video, and you'll be taken to this bonus page and buy this project Limitless through my link on this green button. Buy this and you'll get access to all my bonuses for free. Okay. So anyway, I hope that answers your questions. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Okay. So anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for